Everyone, what's going on? Arash Farahani here, back with another weekly update. Are you wondering, should I buy a home now or should I wait? With interest rates, home prices, and a shifting economy, this is a key question that everybody's asking. Now, today I'm going to break down whether or not it's a right time to buy, or if waiting will save you some money, and how to prepare either way so you're ready to win when the time is right. First, let's look at what's happening in the market. Interest rates are still higher than they were a few years ago, but there's talks of possible cuts later this year or into 2026. Home prices may have stabilized in many areas, but inventory is still low, making good homes competitive. Rent is rising in many cities, which making more people consider buying. So it's a bit of a mixed bag, and that's why the question is, buy or wait? And no one has a one size fits all type of answer. So, when might it actually make sense to buy now? If you find a home you love and can afford the monthly payments, even at current rates. If you're planning to stay in the home for a longer period of time, that way you can ride out any short-term market bumps. If rent is skyrocketing and buying means stabilizing your monthly costs. And remember, you can always refinance later if the rates drop. On the other hand, waiting might be smart if you're stretching your budget too thin at the current prices and rates. You have credit or debt issues and you need time to clean it up. You want to save more for a down payment to avoid higher mortgage insurance. You're in an overheated local market that might cool off. The key is, don't just wait hoping prices will fall. Use the time to actively prepare. Whether you buy now or later, here's how to stay ready. Get pre-approved so you know your budget. Build an emergency fund. Keep improving your credit score so you get the best rates. Work with a great real estate professional, like me, who can alert you to the moment a right opportunity pops up. The more prepared you are, the less stressful the process will be. Bottom line, there's no perfect answer for everyone. The best move is to know your numbers, stay prepared, and make a move that's right for your life and budget. Are you thinking of buying soon? Or are you going to wait it out? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your plans and answer any questions you may have. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another weekly update when it comes to real estate. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next week.